ChatGPT gets Adobe's Photoshop powers. Adobe plugged Photoshop Express and Acrobat into ChatGPT, turning your chatbot into a photo editor, document wrangler, and creative sounding board in one window. Here's the deal. You can crop, retouch, filter, brighten, unbrighten, and remove backgrounds with Photoshop Express tools inside a chat. Want to blur the background? Just tell ChatGPT. Want it to make you look less like you've slept 4 hours for the past 3 days? It can try. Need to merge PDFs, redact contract typos, or sign something you swear you already signed last week? Acrobat sits in the same window. Adobe's mini apps open the moment you upload a file and start typing what you want. No launchers, no clutter, and no "please update to continue." These aren't just automated magic tricks. Adjust sliders for brightness, exposure, contrast, and more without bailing to desktop Photoshop. Acrobat works similarly, though you'll need to log into your Adobe account if you want to save or export files. None of these costs extra, which means ChatGPT just became a shockingly competent all-in-one workspace. Sure, if you're designing a movie poster or editing a 300-page legal document, you'll still need the full Adobe apps. This update won't replace the pros' toolkits, but it might save everyone else from tearing their hair out over basic edits. The bigger shift is workflow. What used to take multiple apps, multiple steps, and a few muttered curses now happens inside one chat window. Ask for design ideas, get layout suggestions, tweak an image, and revise it again in the same conversation. ChatGPT is still an AI assistant, but now it feels like a responsive digital studio.